everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to factory reset an Echo Dot. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is an Echo Dot, and I'm going to show you how to factory reset this device. Now, a factory reset involves getting rid of all of the data, all of the information on the device. So when you factory reset your Echo Dot, you're getting rid of all of the information, all of the data on the device, getting rid of everything on the device. It's literally going to be as if you took it brand new out of the box, and it's going to take you into the setup process again, so you're going to have to set it up again. Now, luckily, the setup process doesn't take long. It only takes a few minutes. So that's a positive thing about if you have to factory reset. In addition, if you're experiencing a glitch, a factory reset will sometimes help get rid of that glitch, error, or malfunction. And let's say you're going to be selling your Echo Dot or giving it to someone else as a gift, then the factory reset is good because then all of your information is gone. And when you sell it to them or give it to them or do whatever with it, then it's basically it's not new because you've used it, but in terms of the data on it, it's like brand new. Okay, really easy to do. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to take this mode off right here to enable the microphone. I don't think it makes a difference, but I'm going to do it anyways because whenever I factory reset it, I have had that microphone enabled. So I'm going to do that this time. So this button right here is the action button. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold this down, okay, until the device tells us that it has been factory reset. Okay, it is going to tell us that it's resetting. And so you're going to press and hold it down, and you probably have to hold it down for maybe about 30 seconds, give or take. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this around over here. Oh, I don't know why I've been using my pen for this video. I had a pen lying around and I figured I'd use it as like a pointer. So hopefully you enjoyed that little demonstration right there. Okay, but I should have obviously unclicked it so I don't make any marks on my Echo Dot. Anyways, back to business over here. I'm going to press and hold down the action button, and I'm not going to let go. And we're going to try and listen to hear what the Alexa is saying over there. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold it down. Let's just do it right now. So I'm pressing and holding it down, just continuing to hold it down, okay? Just continue holding it down.
Now in setup mode.
So it's saying,
follow the instructions in your Alexa.
Still holding it down, still holding it down. You want to hold it down through this over here, through this, okay? Continue holding it down. It's going to tell us that it's going to reset, okay? So
resetting your device.
There we go.
This will take about a minute.
Sounds good to me.
I'll let you know when it's done.
Thank you very much. Okay, so now that it said it's resetting the device, as far as I know, you can release the button. I always hold it for an extra few seconds just to be sure, but I'm going to release it because I believe that as far as I know now, once it says that it's resetting, you can release it, okay? And as you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but there is that light going on under there, the ring light. It's a little bit dim, but basically in about a minute or two, give or take, it will tell me that it has restarted. It will tell me that it's in setup mode. So you can see the clock went off, the time went off. So now it's actually resetting. And like I said, in about a minute or two, it's going to just act as if it's brand new. It's going to tell me that it's ready to be set up. And that's how you know that it's been reset. So that's basically it. I'm not going to make you sit and wait around for a minute or two. But once you wait a minute or two with your own device, it will just act as if it's brand new and ask you to set it up. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. Sorry, before I finish, as you can see, this means that it's booting up, just so it's clear. So when you see the blue light, still don't touch anything. I was going to finish the video, but you know what? I have to talk about this. The blue light means it's booting up, it's processing. So you're going to leave it, and then eventually you're going to get the orange light again, which will be the setup mode as far as I can remember. So that's it. Basically, you can see we're almost done. I mean, at this point, I figured we might as well wait until it's completely factory reset. But you know what? I don't want to make you sit around and wait. So you're going to wait for the orange light on your own device, and it will tell you right there that it's ready to be set up. So right now, it's just playing that intro music, and it's going to tell me that it's ready to be set up. Like I said, I was going to end the video, but I figured I might as well show you this. I'm going to turn the volume all the way down, just so I can speak without it interrupting. But it would just say it's in different languages. It's saying it's ready to be set up. So it's saying hello in different languages over here. And it's saying it's ready to be set up. That's how you know it's reset. So now for the official end of the video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.